Hey guys, Satellite World here. Today we will be exploring this flood mountain, and I think the water's already rising, so I'm gonna get out of here. And basically, you already know I was gonna do Dangerous Rose 3, but it's not like it was two already. Oh, and just a shout out to Nahail the Great. Shout out to you. I want to shout out to those two subscribers. Because now I've got two random subscribers. Oh my gosh. Oh, well, never mind. Jerry can look that up. And I'm sorry I told you guys if you wanted me to do AI, then put it in the comments. But AI actually breaks BeamNG because some of my mods just aren't well, don't let it work, and that's an issue. So I'm still working on fixing that. It's not a no, it's a maybe. I might be able to fix it. Okay. Oh no. Icy roads. I can't see any water. Do I have to download a mod to make the water rise? Man, I hope that was a checkpoint. I hope. Not hope. I hope. Okay, whatever. Attempt two. No way. Oh yeah. Woohoo. Woohoo. Maybe this will be easier than I thought. Maybe I just had to take this route. I'm dragging. I was not prepared for that. In case of a car getting obliterated, you should run. But oh my gosh. Yeah, my wheel. Oh, I'm turning the car around. Okay, yeah, now let's go. Let's go. Never mind, this car's so garbage. So garbage. I've dragged you up the cliff. I think I should go that way. Alright, see you, random path. Not that bad, actually. The road's not that slip. Oh, I'm tempted to take that jump. That is a big pothole. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Okay, that's good. I didn't die. Oh, ice roads. That's kind of like, Dangerous Roads too. They had ice roads. Yeah. These are complete ice patches on the road. Just like Dangerous Roads too. And this isn't Dangerous Roads 3. Just a heads up. This is not Dangerous Roads 3. This is Flood Escape. Blizzard 1. The Blizzard Flood Escape. Oh my gosh. Man, this car. This car's so trash. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Useless mobile. Yes. Mission success. With the Beam Safari Beast. That's what I'm gonna call it from now on. The Beam Safari Beast. But you know, I'm just gonna call it Beast. Yeah, Beast seems about right. It is one of the world. Wait, this is the top? Are you serious? That's it? Oh, look at that. Cramp time. You. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I get to drive down. What the hell? Yeah, you guys didn't see it, but my screen just flickered and went crazy. I don't think I'll film any more videos today. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, my roof. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait, the trees are visible, but you can't interact with them. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, this is ending badly. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh big deal. Oh no. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Trying to make it down. Make it down, down, down. I'm going down. I don't know where I'm going. Yeah, I honestly don't know where the ocean is. Oh, weird. Wait, is this a lake? This might be a frozen lake that we're driving on. Wait, if this is a frozen lake, how does the ocean rise in this? Fucking break. Oh, it's as smooth as a road. So just a little bit more icy. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Said like with a gamer. Peace.